Okay, so I'm here in the morning with my first student of the day. Say hi.
Hey, what's happening?
How was my lesson?
Okay. My lesson was great, very informative, very a lot of information. Even taught myself some things I know that I was doing wrong in my own signatures of other legal documents. So I picked up a lot of information today. I wouldn't change anything at all on what Jazz has gave me, and I really appreciate all the opportunities that she presented to me, going over all this information.
Yeah.
So I love it. I love it. It's very valuable, and I'm gonna keep on going with it.
Good morning. So I already did my first class this morning, and I am printing out documents for my signing at 11 today, I think, maybe 11:30. I have two signings today. I just got one when I was teaching my class for 6 p.m.
Hello?
Hello, is this Mr. Yuska?
Yuska, yes.
My name's Jasmine. I'm your notary for today. Rockingham?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I look forward to seeing you. I just need 2 forms of ID and we can get you in and out.
Okay, great.
All right, we are all ready. One of my favorite combos is beige on beige on brown on beige. All right, guys, so wearing a turtleneck today again. I am done for the signing. I went to Home Depot to pick up a Christmas present. I'm home now. I really just don't feel like doing anything else right now. I haven't had a break. So I think we're gonna sit down and contemplate what I wanna do and then figure out if I want to go to my vending machine to fill some of the products up. But that, I don't feel like doing it without a break at least. And then I'm gonna be traveling during rush hour, so it's just one of those days. So I am going to ship up or get my papers ready to be shipped out, see if my papers were sent for my next signing, and if not, I'll probably take a break and then decide if I want to drive all the way to my vending machine to fill it up, or if I just want to sit down and count the money with you guys. Just sat down. I'm about to start lunch. It is 2:16 p.m. I got done with my signing at 1 o'clock because we were just talking so much. We were having the best conversation. Went to Home Depot to pick up my Christmas present. I wanted to talk to you guys about ink. HP ink for my printer is very expensive, super expensive. So I buy third-party ink from Amazon. I've tried out this brand, and then I have this new brand. I don't think I've tried it yet. And it's okay. So it saves me a lot of money on ink, but sometimes it wastes paper because it puts these lines on the paper, which wastes my paper because I have to reprint it. If I print slow, then it's fine. I can prevent it from happening, but it takes a little bit more time to print. So while third-party ink is cheaper, it can mess up your printing. It's up to you. What choice do you want to make when it comes to your ink? Do you want to spend a lot of money on your ink because LaserJet ink is expensive, or do you want to try out third-party ink? You have to take out the microchip that you have to take out of your original ink from the brand. So I have a lot of HP stuff over here, and to put it in here so that it works. So if anybody else has any third-party ink that doesn't mess up their paper and actually prints correctly, leave it down below in the comments. Some people have been asking for like success stories, so here's this one. He took my class a little while ago, and then 2 weeks after that he is at 2K, and he sent me over his Notary Gadget profile that shows how many signings and how much he's made already since he took my class. So take my class. And here's another one. Here's another beautiful student. I'm so happy for you guys. And then I sent her this little cute little meme. So I made the text message a little bit bigger so you can see it. So how much money have you made so far? I'm just over 1K. I have a signing tomorrow and we are going big or going home. Do any of you guys feel guilty for relaxing? I feel like there's so much I could be doing right now and I should be doing it, but I just want to lay down. Anybody else feel guilty? I think I'm gonna lay down for just a little bit and just think about what's my next move. I feel so bad at vlogging for Vlogmas because I'm just at this time right now where I just want to lay down and not do anything, but I feel guilty.
Hello.
Hi, is this Mr. Parks?
Yes.
I am your loan signing agent today. So I've been editing since I got home, and as you can see, you're gonna have a lot of downtime in between signing sometimes. So make sure you're doing things to keep you preoccupied to get more money. Work on another job, study for your master's degree or your bachelor's degree, take care of your kids, clean your house. Do something that's going to better your life and don't just do one thing because you're gonna have a lot of time to yourself. So I'm gonna continue printing these papers. Number one thing I hate about driving at nighttime to these places is that you cannot see anybody's addresses. So I went to the wrong house. I'm pulling into the right one now. All right, so I am back home and me and the person, my signer, were talking a lot. So it took about an hour to get that signing done because we were talking. I'm about to go in and make dinner. I am going to pack up the orders tomorrow. I'm really thinking about doing 5 days of Vlogmas and not 10 days. You know, my audience seems to be a little bit older, so I don't think they're like all into Vlogmas. And then maybe if it goes well for this year, maybe I'll do 10 days next year. Maybe I'll do 30 days next year like most people do. I don't know, I haven't made my decision yet, but tomorrow I will pack up these orders. Good night. That's the end of Vlogmas.